variety of people, which means we need a lot of different skills. So we have positions like landscaping, IT, accounting, teachers, building maintenance, safety, anything from part-time to director level type of employment. So no matter what position you're in, the most important skills for us are honesty, integrity, a team player attitude, and the ability to effectively communicate.
Well, in the energy industry, it's really an entire world of opportunities that would exist within. There could be careers in the craft and technical field like line work, mechanics, and technicians, to business fields such as finance, IT, and engineering. So it's all a world within a world. One important skill that would be required to be successful in the industry would include the ability to adapt to change, because as technology changes, so does our business and the way that we work and serve our customers. Additionally, and perhaps most importantly, our soft skills, things like communication and having the ability to communicate effectively with professionally, with people. Also, of course, leadership skills are always a plus, being able to take ownership for yourself and for others, being proactive rather than reactive, and that ability to work well with others that may be of different backgrounds from yourself.
Require at least a high school diploma or GED or equivalent. We are required to have you licensed with an EPA Type 2 or higher certification, and that is issued through the federal government for the purposes of properly handling and disposing and utilizing Freon, which is a gas.
Well, depending on what your interests are, we have opportunities throughout the company that require a high school diploma. Others may need special certification that can easily be obtainable at one of our local state colleges. And then there are some positions that will require a 4-year college degree. To go into more detail, I can share, for example, one of our entry level positions would be a line worker technician. And this only requires a high school diploma. And you come in with a earning potential of $40,000 starting pay. You go through a series of training segments that we offer, so you're getting paid while you're being trained, and then you have earning potential of up to over $100,000 a year after you've obtained the highest level of line worker, which is our journeyman lineman position. Other positions, for example, some that would require only a 2-year degree could be our engineering technologist position, and starting pay in that role is $56,000. So that could be something that would be of interest of someone that may want to have some college but doesn't really want to commit to the full 4 years. This is a very up and coming position and keeps you engaged and challenged throughout. And then if there's someone that's interested in going the full 4-year route, you can go for an engineering position, which has a starting pay of $65,000 a year. I think I would have to say that my favorite part of what I do would be to be able to connect with people and knowing that we're making a difference for our community. The energy industry is something that is consistent throughout. It's a part of our lives. It's a part of everything that we do. If you think about it, how energy impacts our lives every day, it's in everything. If you have a cell phone, you'll have to charge it. You need electricity. If you own a home, you'll need lights for your energy for your refrigerator, lights in your home. So it's really something that will make a difference for our community. And knowing that what we do every day impacts the people that we know and love is something that is something that I've always appreciated.
Specifically and on top of the world, the first thing they think about is real estate or construction. So my advice, if you are interested in the two industries, is to gain as much experience as you can. research the degrees or certifications that you need, but more important than that is making sure that you gain on-hands experiences. So making sure that you're open to doing internships, taking an extra course, whether it is in the summer, or adult learning, whatever the case may be. Always be open to learn and grow. Because we do have so many industries in our company, once you work for us in one industry, you get to see the wide variety of opportunities in case you ever want to transfer or take on a new skill.
My advice would be to research and learn as much as you can about the industry. There's so many resources online that you can look into. Take the time to speak with your teachers, with your counselors, to identify if there are any classes or programs at your school, or if you're getting ready to go into high school, look out at all the different high schools and what kind of programs they offer that may be of interest to you, might be fitting for your future career goals. And finally, if you have a chance to connect with someone in the industry, take advantage of that. Don't be shy. Ask questions if you can. Get their contact information if that's available in case you want to reach out to them in the future, because sometimes you're in the moment and it's not until afterward that you think, oh, I should have asked this. But if you get a hold of that contact information, you can connect with them afterward, and you really never know what doors that conversation might open for you in the future.
Labor market information, often referred to as LMI, holds all the data for a certain industry and occupation. Let's talk about construction and utilities LMI, starting with wages. The average yearly wages of an employee in the construction and utilities industry are $44,220. Currently, there are 42,016 people employed in this industry in Marion County, with a projected growth of 8,426 employees within the next 5 years. With a high school diploma and on-the-job training, those going into the construction and utilities industry can find work as equipment operators, laborers, and painters, making $14 to $17 an hour. With more experience and an apprenticeship, the next level of work becomes plumbers, electricians, and carpenters, making $18 to $20 an hour. With a bachelor's degree or higher and even more experience, job opportunities such as construction managers, electrical power line installers, and building inspectors making $25 to $41 an hour become possible. To learn more about which middle schools and high schools have programs in this industry, click on the LMI Sheet button on the front of this Industry Tours booth. Thank you to this year's 2021 Youth Career Expo sponsors. We hope you enjoy the rest of the expo.